The festival of Raksha Bandhan is a glorious and enthusiastic Indian festival which is celebrated mainly among the Hindu Indian families. It is a very auspicious occasion for Indian siblings. It is celebrated between the brothers and their sisters as a tribute and dedication for the everlasting bond that they share. The bond which brothers and sisters share is unique. Siblings play a very crucial role in our lives. They have seen us grow and mature over the years. They tend to know our most reliable and weakest points. They also sometimes tend to understand us better than we do ourselves. They have always been there to support us, to protect us, and to help us through troubled times. Raksha Bandhan is only a small way to commemorate that bond and promise for a future that is bright and shining. Sisters and brothers wait for the arrival of Raksha Bandhan throughout the year. It does not occur on one particular day every year. According to the lunar calendar, this festival is observed on the day of the full moon in July or August. On this auspicious day, the brothers take an oath to protect their sisters from anything or anyone harmful. The festival is abundantly celebrated across the entire country and appeals to no particular age group. The happiness and enthusiasm to celebrate this festival is seen several days before the festival arrives. The markets are seen to be full of beautiful colored Rakhis. The word Raksha Bandhan has a very significant meaning. It means a bond fraught with love and protection. The Hindi word Raksha means protection in English, whereas the word Bandhan means tying of a relationship. It is the celebration of a chaste bond of love and protection between a brother and sister. This festival symbolizes love and harmony. Thus, on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, sisters tie Rakhis on their brothers' wrists, wishing for their excellent health and well-being. Consequently, the brother pledges to love their sisters everlong and to protect her from all kinds of dangers. At the very core of it, it is a ritual that is based on the pillars of protection, love, and brotherhood. Raksha Bandhan was initially established by Rabindranath Tagore during the time of Bengal's partition to instill a loving bond of brotherhood between the Hindus and Muslims. This occasion is also called by different names in different parts of the country. Some people call this festival Rakhi Purnima, while some call it Kajri Purnima. As per the tradition, the sisters tie Rakhi to the brothers and wish for their well-being. The brother in turn acknowledges the love with a promise to be by the sister's side always and gives her a gift as a token of love. Apart from the traditional methodology of the ritual, it is also an enjoyable ritual to celebrate. On the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, the entire family gathers together and celebrates the bond. Distant relatives and closer family come together. They dress up in new clothes and celebrate love. In short, the festival of Raksha Bandhan symbolizes the ideal of universal brotherhood and also immortalizes the Indian culture. This festival of Rakhi transcends the barriers of caste, creed and religion and is based on pious sentiments. Happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone.